A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So this week for the weekly market analysis for euro dollar will be a pretty quick one. Market has been showing a bearish movement, breaking of support, retest, back on resistance, and look what we have did. There's a head and shoulder formation. Alright, over here when it tested the right shoulder itself. Alright, we have engaged the trade, shorted it. On top of it, there is a butterfly pattern itself, bearish butterfly pattern. So for traders who have missed this trade, unfortunately, I am still waiting for a shorting opportunity. We can wait for retest, we can wait for new formation to form up to engage a trade if you're a harmonic pattern trader, or just a retest on the support resistance. This is another level you can be looking at, 1.1617 range. I will be posting this chart on the description button all the way at the bottom where we show the live chart itself. That's all I have for you today, euro dollar. Share this channel with your friends if you know any traders out there that has been trading alone. We are building a community over here, an even bigger community to support you. Alright, that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon.